Good evening again, and welcome back to part 3 of our installments of turning the wood spool into a coffee table. Now at this point we progressed, we got everything together. I've actually got the top sanded from the last video, and we're going to move on to the process of doing a finish for the tabletop. So a little bit of debate. Finally decided I was going to do something I've actually worked with before, so this is going to be new for me as well as you people watching. So what we're going to do is strategically place them tongue oil finish, because stuff. But so I'm going to jump right in here. So I apologize, it's been a while since the videos, things have been going on, but we're going to get to it. But first thing first is step 1 is we do have to remove the extempore. Like I said, we have everything sanded, we just have to move the excess, the dirt and grime and stuff out. We have to throw some mineral spirits on this and get it wiped off. Go ahead and grab that here. Soaked a little bit here. Say dampened mineral spirits. Good thing about the stuff with the mineral spirits is it does evaporate pretty quickly, so that is nice. I'm hoping it won't soak too much into the wood because this is going to be pretty porous, but I think we should be okay. And don't dampen your cloth too much either. You really don't want to be breathing the vapors into the mineral spirits a whole lot. Just the camera a little bit here too, I'm sorry. Flip that over a little bit. Some fresh stuff on there. And again, as usual with the stuff that I make, I'm not working on being perfect either. Perfection is not my game. I am not a professional carpenter, not a professional mechanic, not really a professional on anything at all, to be honest. So, but good enough for me is good enough. I try, I experiment, I try, I fail, I try it again. So it works out pretty good for me. So yeah, I think we're actually pretty good. That's the, like I said, the mineral spirits is fun. It does evaporate really quick. So here we are. Our strategically placed tongue oil, which I'm actually going to pop the top back on and shake that a little bit, I think. Sandwood. Blah, blah. This I've had for quite a while. Actually, I think going on a year, so we're going to give that a shake. Get it going here. And try not to be too obsessively boring. And I brought out some wonderful, I have these wonderful little microfiber. I'm not a big fan of microfiber cloths because they tend to be kind of grabby. But these ones I'm going to use for this purpose because I don't really care about them. The best thing was I bought a box of 50 of these on clearance. I got 50 of these for like $6. It's not too shabby. So here we go, everyone. Give this a try and see how terrible a job we can do with it. So actually I'm just going to start over here on this kind of spalted looking corner, a little stain on it. But we'll get this rubbed in. We'll start putting on, I won't bore you with the entire process, everyone, but otherwise we'd be here for half an hour or so. But just going to start on this little corner, see what it starts looking like. Already bringing out a little bit, bringing out a little bit of shine here. That's okay. I like that. I don't go for a super high gloss anyway, and I'm looking at more protecting and stuff, because once I get everything built up here and get my man cave going and part of my workshop, then this is going to be actually used as a coffee table. So I think that'll work good. Yeah, not too shabby. So a little bit of shine. Of course, you have to do 2 coats of this too, according to directions. Yeah, I like to kind of go overkill on things. I like to build things a little bit heavier, a little bit tougher. So if I end up doing 3 coats, that's what we'll do. So, but that's for that. This is just to say another installment. Next one, this is going to actually be finished and done, and then we'll be ready to move on to the next thing, provided I can make my brain work and figure out something else to make videos about. I always say I got like a million projects and stuff, but when it comes down to doing this, I kind of go, oh, sometimes I draw a blank, but bear with me. I hope you enjoy this installment. One more to go. Please tune in for the next one. Please watch some of my other videos. I appreciate it. If you do like them, hit the little like button, little hearty thing, thumbs up, ding, subscribe if you want, what have you. I will see you around. Thank you.